Well, hello, and welcome to I Can Doodle. Let's do a nativity scene together. Let's start with Jesus in the middle here. He's the center of attention. Let's go ahead and make a little bubble right there. And then for his head, we're going to go ahead and just do another bubble. It's a simple drawing, so let's keep it simple, okay? And then we're going to draw a straight line across, like so. Make sure that connects. Let's draw some lines to kind of give him swaddling clothes. Good? Alright, now we're going to go ahead and surpass this, come back. Alright, we're going to draw some squiggly lines. And same thing right about his head. Like so. Good. Now we're going to come down like a U. Like that. Come right back up. Awesome. Now we're going to take the leg straight down like that. Another one. Let it meet. Draw backwards. And take the leg straight up just like that. We're going to copy that on this side. Just like so. Now we're going to take the line back for the back leg. The line back for the back leg. Awesome. Remember, just keeping this simple. Awesome. Now let's draw Mary. She's going to be right about here. Remember, we're keeping this as simple as we can. Okay. Then we'll draw a circle in the middle for her head. Awesome. Let's draw some hairlines. Good. Give a smile. She's happy. Very nice. Alright, we're going to go ahead and draw Joseph. He's going to be over here. Alright, nice thick line. There we go. And then his head. Okay, there we go. We'll let it connect down here. Nice. Alright, we'll draw a smile on him as well. Some eyeballs. Yep. And then we're going to go ahead and draw him some hair as well. There we go. And there's Joseph. If you want to add a beard, you can. Just keep it simple. Alright. And there you have it. Now let's go ahead and draw the nativity part. Straight up just like so. On that side. Same on this side. Good. Draw a point of interest. A point to go to. And you're going to draw that line straight to it. And then the same on this side. Line to go to it. It doesn't have to be the exact. Remember, it's a simple drawing. Go ahead and extend those lines out like so. We're going to bring that up on this side, up on this side, and a meet in the middle. Ready? Here we go. Alright, nice. Awesome. Let's go ahead and we're going to draw like a little bit of a hill here. Very good. Nice. Well, that's it. Just that simple. Let's go ahead and color it in. Now, if you want, down here at the bottom, I want to make sure that the line from Joseph comes straight down like so that I have a way to color that in and know where it's going to end. All right. If you want, you can put a star above him. You can put a star here, or if you have space above the paper to do it up there, that's fine too. Somewhere way up there. If you draw lower on the paper. We're going to leave ours like that and go ahead and get started on the coloring. I'll speed this part up. Here we go. if you want to add a sheep on the side, I just thought I'd throw a little sheep in there too. Hey, hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you later. Bye.